This is gnarly.
Ask your dad.
Will you guys be quiet, please, for 2 goddamn minutes? Stop.
This is insane. Oh, flip. This is literally insane. Anna, Tyler, how do you guys feel?
Tyler's confused and nervous, and I'm worried about all windows and cars. Especially that
The couch is wet.
especially that truck in the front. People are in that car because the lights are on. Who would leave their headlights on in the middle of a terrible storm?
I cannot see a thing out there.
I can. Tree branch. That's a tree branch and it's broken. Well, you might not be able to see it, but I can. I mean, it obviously would break because it's very, very thin.
Dude, this is gnarly.
You're acting like Zuma from Paw Patrol.
This is literally insane.
I'm
This
nervous and a tiny itty
this
bitty
is
tiny itty
insane.
bit. Smallest tiny.
Make sure we get a lot of views, bro. Let's get us to 20K views or 20K likes.
Something like that.
And subscribe. Like and subscribe, guys, for the content.
This is Tyler.
This is insane. It's gnarly, dude. This is super
Listen,
insane,
You
guys.
are scared tonight.
This
you are
is
sleeping with
insane.
me. I'm a big cuddler.
Understood? This is insane.
Okay? I'm a big cuddler.
This is literally incredible. This is so insane. This is insane, dude. I don't think you guys can see it, but there's a branch out there that's broken. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a branch broken out there. Because I can see it. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a branch literally broken out there, literally snapped in 2 pieces. This is insane. Just went from bright out to dark. Almost pitch black. Anyway, this is insane, dude. This is literally insane. This is insane, dude. I cannot believe my eyes. This is super insane. I can't believe it. My dog Frasier and my baby brother Tyler, they're scared of thunderstorms. So please like and subscribe for this video for content. So please, I need this help. This is insane, dude. Like and subscribe if you think we're gonna make it okay. If you think we're gonna be okay, or if you think our car is gonna be safe. But dude, this is insane. I cannot believe this. This is super insane, bro. Like, I cannot believe this. This is like incredibly insane. This is like gnarly, bro. I cannot believe this, dude. Bro, I cannot believe my eyes. This is super insane, though. Like, I'm standing really on my couch. Like, I'm sitting on my couch. On my chair. Anyway, that's it for today's vlog. Bye.